Hi, Peaches and Cream friends. Let's talk about your Peach Wellness Bag. It's small, soft, and easy to carry, but it's full of big, fun things to help you on good days, tough days, and everything in between. Meet your wellness friends, 7 buddies who ride the week with you. Mellow Monday helps you slow down. Tough Tuesday reminds you it's okay to feel strong feelings. Wiggly Wednesday gets your wiggles out. Thoughtful Thursday helps you pause. Friendly Friday reminds you to be kind. Smiley Saturday brings smiles. Sunny Sunday helps you recharge. They ride in a van on a card inside your bag. Hold it and turn it up when you're feeling good, and turn it down when you're feeling sad. You're not alone. Your feelings cards are just for you. Write or draw whatever you're feeling, then tuck them back in like a secret hug for your heart. Your bracelet has uplifting words like brave or strong. Some are blank, so you can add your own. Wear it anywhere, it's your Peach Friend Band. Every bag has bookmarks with fun exercises. It's not just for books, keep it nearby for support. Your Penny and Penny bookmark remind you that even something small can be shiny and strong, just like you. These were created by the Foundation's founder to help during her tough times. And don't forget your motivational sticker. Stick it somewhere special. Take your Peach Wellness Bag anywhere. It's filled with love, hope, and tools to help when you need them. You matter. You're not alone. And there is always hope. Wear your bracelet, check your bookmark, talk to your wellness friends, and know that you've got this, and we've got you.